Hello everyone. So it's 12 at the night and I'm shooting this video. So right now I was checking Amazon site and I got this opportunity of DevOps engineer, which is basically a support like job, and it's on site Bangalore location, operation and IT support. So let's see what is requirement of this job. So the basic qualification required for this job is 3+ year of software development or 3+ year of technical support experience in scripting in modern programming language, experience in troubleshooting and debugging technical system. Preferred qualification is knowledge of web services, distributed systems, and web application development, experience troubleshooting and maintaining hardware and software rates, experience with REST web services, XML, and JSON. So these are the things which are required for this job role. So I request you to send the job to one who requires the job, and please do subscribe to my channel if you are really willing to do something in DevOps IT field. So let's see what is a day in a life. So in provide incoming support to incoming tickets, including executive troubleshooting, taxes, and the responsibility covers multiple product features and services. Work on operations, maintenance, driven coding projects. So this is basically a mixture of support plus coding like project. So these are the key responsibilities. So I will be giving all the description of this in the video description, and also the link will be there in the comment section. I request you to go and apply and wait for Amazon to respond. And if you really got helpful from my video, then please subscribe to the channel and share it to the one who is really in it. Thank you.